Well, I'm procrastinating just a little bit. Of course, these wires are started to fall off. So I have to deal with that. That's actually the power wire. You imagine that? And this one here is not too far off. It's nice and whimsy. It's going to break. Not far off from what that was doing. But those are the power wires. The speaker wires look good. I'm going to have to check all of these actually just to go over them and resolder a couple wires in here. But yeah, while I'm procrastinating, I want to talk real quick about a 100-watt radio. Now that's 25 amps. And I've had these sent in before with these. Don't dare run 25 amps through this unless you want to just have these melt. BBI always has good videos out. He has one about wire melting points and how much amps you need to draw and how much. It's not much. With these, I mean, it's basically a fuse. Basically a fuse. I have to upgrade my power wires because, I mean, this is the old school 2970, and that uses 2290s as well. Nice Toshibas. But yeah, you see the size of this power cord? It's not the same. So I'm going to upgrade the power cord I had with the radio. You saw that. I'm going to clip them off and do it right. But yeah, nice thick copper cord to this radio, because this puts out, it'll draw 25 amps. Couldn't you imagine 25 amps through this stuff? I am very surprised this radio is still operating. So yeah, all that's getting changed out. We need good thick cabling. This is somewhat thicker, but not by much. But it all is that little tiny goofy plug. So I may upgrade that to the 3-pin as well. But yeah, this is. I mean, look at some of these are just ridiculous. Upgrade your power wires. If you're running a big draw amp, 25 amps coming out of that, you imagine sitting down and talking for a while and this stuff just sizzles together and blows this thing up. I mean, it doesn't take much. You can surge that CPU so easy. Upgrade the wires. That's all I can say. And now, we only have that little tiny 3-pin. And they did this, but yeah, you can end up doing something even better on these. I've seen some good upgrades, but yeah, don't use this wire. There's a reason this is cheap and this stuff is expensive. It makes a difference. You don't want to start a fire while you're talking, do you? These are the cables. Throw these stuffs in the trash.